trading Tangled, Bike Chain, and some more. And Specs going once, going twice. Oh, guys, look at her fidgets. And look at those. She's so rich. Let me trade her. Hey, can I offer for your fidgets? Yeah, sure. What do you want to offer? I would trade you this stress ball. Can you add? Because I have more fidgets. Well, this is only my fidgets. Well, what fidgets you're looking for? I'm looking for a teddy bear puppet, a red pop tube, blue marble mash. No, actually pink marble mash. Any type of mochi, and some acupressure rings, and one infinity cube. Wow, that's a lot of fidgets. Okay, let me get them. Hey, where should I get them from? You should go get some fidget hunting. Okay. Hi, you can get this basket. Are you here for fidget hunting? Yeah, I'm here for fidget hunting. Okay, then you can have the basket. Okay. Guys, I need to find something that she wants. Let me look around. Is that a Among Us puppet? Let me see. That's a giant one, but we don't really want it. But actually, let's just keep it in the basket. Okay, let's go move on. Alright, wait, let me pick this up. Wow, a teddy bear puppet. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Let's go search for more things. Anything here? Wait, what was that? What's this? I don't know whatever is this, but let's just keep it here. What else? Let me go here. In the restroom. What she needs over here. Let me check in here. Well, she didn't need a blue marble mash wood. I guess I'll keep it for me. Let me see here. Tingles. Fidget pattern. Okay, I actually don't need this stuff. So, okay. Let me take everything out. Wow. Yes, this is what she needed. Let's go. Is that a red pop tube? Wow, guys, she really needed this too. A yellow pop tube. Cool. Anything? Let's check in the shower. 2 more pop tubes. Yikes, it's soaking wet. Okay, I'll give them to dry and I keep pressuring. Okay, yikes. Let's just my acupressuring almost went in that hole. Let's get this. Anything else she needed? I don't remember because she said so. Pink marble mash. Wow, she really needed that. Okay, got it. Dolphin mochi. She even needed that. Wow. And what's that? Another mochi. I guess let's just take all this stuff too. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. Let's see if we get anything else, because I don't think there's anything else left. She even said something else. I don't know what. What's here? I found this damn ball. Take here. Oh, another damn ball. Anything here? Wow, what's this? Well, I don't know, but let's just, there's something else here? Wow, guys, I think this is my lucky day today. I even found this. Wow. Pea popper. Wow, guys, I'm getting so much fidget. I think let's just go check. I see something here. Among Us puppet. Alright. Guys, I think I better leave. But before I leave, I need to check if there are any more fidgets. Okay. Let me go put this. Ma'am, is that all the fidgets you hide it? Yeah, that's all the fidgets I hide it. Okay, I think you're done. You better go now. Okay, thanks. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, what did you need it? Guys, I saw monkey noodle. Let's take this too. Okay, guys, I figured out she needed this stuff. Okay, ma'am, here you go, your stuff. But you add, please. Okay. Okay. I think I can accept. Alright, fine, accept. Here. Guys, let's see what's in this egg. Specs. And this. Okay, bye.